Next airdrop we're going to do is hashing ads. Give a quick like to the video, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of these. Down in the description box below, you'll see a link that links you to this Telegram bot. So let's open this up. We'll click Start. I want you to do this CAPTCHA down below here. We'll put in that CAPTCHA. So we're going to pop down to here, go to airdrop tasks. First thing I want you to do is register on their website. We'll open that up. It's a pretty interesting project. Go up to the corner here, hit register. So right here, you're going to fit in all your names, your username, email, password, confirm it. I'm not a robot. Then you're going to click on register now. And we'll come back after that. And after you hit register now, it's going to send a verification link to your email. You go to your email next. And then you just click below here, verify your link. It might take a couple minutes to get this one. You might have to look in your another part of your profile. And it already shows an account balance of 0.01. So we're going to go back to the airdrop where the bot is. And then we're going to go to the Telegram group. We're going to join that group. We're going to go back to the airdrop bot. Click on the airdrop bot. We're going to go to the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel. Back to the airdrop bot. Then we're going to join the sponsors channel. Join. Then we're going to go to the Twitter page. We're going to follow on there. Let's give that a quick follow. It's going to ask for your email next. You're going to copy and paste that in. Click on this. Now I want your Telegram username next. And we'll copy and paste that right into there. Telegram username as well. Now your Twitter. And then we'll just copy and paste our Twitter into there. Hit next. Now I want your Ethereum address. And we'll just copy and paste that down below here. Paste that in. Click on that. Go to main menu. Check our balance. So we've got an airdrop of 210, no referral balance yet, but you've got a referral link here somewhere. I'm sure we got one up here somewhere. Our referral link's actually right here. Click on that. That's a referral link right there. And copy and paste your referral link. And that's the end of this airdrop. We've got a lot more coming up. You can subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.